Hello everyone, welcome to the Play with Circuit. In this video, we'll learn how to build a water level indicator that triggers an LED and a buzzer when the water reaches a certain level. This is the water level sensor. It detects the level of water in a tank or container. It has 10 exposed copper traces. These 5 traces are power traces, and these 5 are sense traces. Power traces carry the voltage for the sensor to operate, and sense traces detect the presence of water using this transistor. It has only 3 pins. It is the analog output pin. It is the power supply pin VCC. It is the ground pin. Here are the components that you need for this project. Breadboard, Arduino Uno R3, water level sensor, buzzer, I2C LCDs, RGB LED, jumper wires. Here is the circuit diagram. We will do connections according to this diagram. Let's wire up everything together. Our circuit is set up. Now, let's move on to the coding part. Here's the code we'll be using for this project. First, we add liquid crystal library to control the LCD via I2C communication. Now we define the size of the filter array, lower threshold, and upper threshold. Now we define these Arduino pins that are connected to the RGB LED and buzzer. Here we create an object named LCD with the I2C address 27, specifying that it's a 16 by 2 LCD. Then we define the analog pin A of the Arduino to which the sensor is connected. In the setup function, we initialize the LCD, turn on the backlight, and clear the display buffer. Configures the RGB LED and buzzer pins as outputs and turn them off initially. In the loop function, the raw sensor reading is taken, filtered, and converted into a water fill percentage using the map function. Fill percentage is displayed on the second line of the LCD based on the water level. This filter function smooths out the sensor readings by averaging the last 20 readings stored in an array. This reduces fluctuation in the sensor data, providing a more stable reading. Now let's upload the code to our Arduino and see it in action. When water level is less than 10%, then RGB LED is red. When the water level is greater than or equal to 10% and less than 90%, then RGB LED turns blue. When the water level is greater than or equal to 99%, then RGB LED turns green. At this point, buzzer will sound. Thanks for watching.